Greetings, tasty liquor lovers. Welcome to Swill and Grog's beer review number 18. The 18th beer review. Well, what do we have for you this evening, you may ask? We have something a little bit different. Let me put it in camera for you here. I take it some of you may have had this before. Kilkenny Irish Ale. 4.3% alcohol by volume. Imported from Ireland. Alright. I don't know much really about the history of Kilkenny. I know that at least one stage it was owned and brewed by Guinness, but yeah, I shouldn't babble on anymore. I really haven't researched the history of Kilkenny at all, but I know it's quite a well-known brand. Yeah, much like Guinness. But anyhow, what more can I tell you about this? I've had it a few times before. Yeah, and I do recall rather enjoying it. It comes in a nice 440ml can, which is, yeah, definitely good to see. Alright, so, yeah, being that it's in a can, it's a good chance it's not going to be spoiled, so, yeah, I think it's definitely going to be one that I'm going to enjoy. Anyhow, yeah, without further ado, as I always say, let's open this can of Kilkenny up and pour it into a nice ice-cold glass, a majestic pub glass. Alright, okay, let's do this. Okay. Alright. Bit of smoke there, I don't know whether I captured that very well. Let's start pouring this out. Alright. Looking good. Okay. Okay, let's have a look at that. Wow. It's a tremendous amount of head there. A tremendous amount. Yeah, very pearly white head, in fact. Does smell rather good. Does smell rather good. But I think we need to address the appearance first. Well, when this, yeah, the head's starting to disappear just a little. I guess colour-wise, very amber. Yeah, a very rich amber colour. Yeah, and it's a yeah, very pearly white head there, starting to settle a bit. Yeah, very interesting. I mean, I guess this would probably be the first time I've actually poured Kilkenny into a glass, as a matter of fact. You can probably tell. Yeah, yeah, I mean, it's kind of got me a bit off guard, actually. Yeah, but anyway, look, we've at least let that settle. So you can see that, yeah, there's a decent amount of, you know, head there. A pearly white, very creamy looking head. And, yeah, the beer itself is a very rich amber colour. Alright, now let's smell it again. That's a very, it's very sweet, in fact, very sweet, I'd say very sweet malted barley smell. And there's definitely a noticeable hint of caramel too in that head. I gotta say, it smells fantastic. Anyhow, I think without further ado, we're going to have a sip of this Alright. Oh, that head is so, it's so incredibly creamy. Yeah, there seems to be next to no carbonation in this beer. Yeah, there's yeah, definitely a higher degree of bitterness in this than your lagers and pilsners. Yeah, so that's probably one of the first things I notice is just how bitter this beer is. But we'll just have some more. Yeah, definitely picking up that kind of caramelly flavour now. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I mean it's a pleasant aftertaste too. I mean, yeah, I mean the bitter, the hot bitterness only really kind of stings you initially when you sip it, but yeah, very pleasant aftertaste, just a very pleasant caramelly, malty sort of flavour overall. Yeah, I mean, it really does get better as you drink more of this, but on that note, let's drink some more. Wow, I really am enjoying this. It's not something I buy very often, as I think I've already stated, but yeah, I often wonder why I don't buy more of it. But as you've probably figured out, my preference does seem to be for lagers, but it's nice to try something different every now and then, isn't it? Anyhow, yeah, what are my thoughts on this in terms of drinkability? Yeah, I enjoy it. For me, it's something I enjoy occasionally. I can't really see myself going out of my way to get a carton of this. Yeah, I really do question why. Why not? But yeah. It's a very pleasant beer, and I guess there's a lot of people out there who enjoy it. I mean, yeah, that lacing, it's fantastic. But it's really more so. It's just the creamy head really just sticking to the glass there, isn't it? Yeah, yeah. I wouldn't say it rates astronomically on the drinkability scale. It's drinkable. Let's just leave it at that, but not astronomically drinkable, like say Budweiser or Miller or something like that. Yeah. So as for a rating out of 10 for Kilkenny, I'd probably be willing to give it 8. It's very well balanced. It's very satisfying. I mean, no complaints really flavour-wise. Yeah, it's just not something that I would drink a whole lot of, but it's a very good beer. So yeah, 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 for Kilkenny this evening. Yeah. But let's just have a little bit more before we go. Nearly finished that. Anyhow, I think it's time to bid you all farewell. And it's really just a case of waiting until the next beer review that I post, whenever that may be. So, until next time, fare thee well.